My friend had a vision. Hello, guys. And in his vision, he was sent to earth on a mission from the throne room of Yahweh. He was in there, he was a powerful spirit creature, and he was sent to earth for a mission. And so God sends him to earth for this mission, and he was the only one that could complete it, the only one that could complete this mission. And so he's doing his mission and so forth, and God decides to give him a wife to help him complete this mission. So his wife comes, and then my friend in his vision failed to appreciate his wife. He was very like mean. So he keeps neglecting his wife and failing to care for his responsibilities as a husband, but he keeps doing his mission. And so he goes on and he goes on, and the mission is going okay, but his wife becomes so sad because he didn't love her. He treated her coldly, like acted like she wasn't important, but actually she was vital and necessary for him to complete the mission. He needed her, so that's why God sent her, but he was being cold and acting like she didn't matter. So over time, this began to break her heart, and she's weeping, she's crying, and she just feels like devastated and sad about it. So as that's going on, eventually that feeling welled up inside her so much that she killed herself, just ended it all, right? And so that basically sabotaged the mission. The man could not complete it without his wife. Even though he was cold to her, he actually needed her to fulfill the mission God sent him on earth to do. And he's doing it, but now he knew he could not complete the mission because she was gone and she was supposed to help him and he needed her help. So he went and killed himself, right? Just ended it, okay? So they both go back to heaven and they're standing before God. And God says to the man, like, why did you fail the mission? And he says, well, I couldn't do it because she killed herself. I needed her and she killed herself, so I killed myself. And he said, okay. So some time goes on and God comes and says to him, I need you to go back to do the mission again. And he says, no, oh God, like he's upset. He's like, oh God, please, like, I don't want to go back. Like, do I have to do it? You can't send anybody else. And God says, no, you're the only one that can do this mission. And he's like, are you kidding me? And he's like, no, you have to do it. So he's like, okay, I will go and do it. I'll go by myself. And he's like, no, you need a wife to finish the mission. You can't do it by yourself. So then God says, go to the court of women, if you will. There's a place in heaven where there was powerful spirit creatures and they're all female. And God says, you will take one and she'll be your wife on earth. And he says, okay, fine. So he goes and he's like there. And there was this like one woman that was like very powerful. And she was like the leader of the female spirit creatures. And she wanted to go with him because he was also very powerful. But that wasn't the one. God came and said, actually, you will choose the same one that you were with last time. So basically, God made him repeat the entire mission. And this vision, what I find interesting about it is if you are in a kingdom marriage, if you feel like you are like connected to your husband or your wife and you feel like it's for a divine purpose, this vision might resonate with you because God has a way of orchestrating things and he has a purpose behind what he does, especially when he brings two people together to accomplish a task on earth. So God bless you. Just thinking about this vision for kingdom marriage couples, may the Lord strengthen you in whatever you've been assigned to do.